Assalamualaiqum. This is my small, messy room. All the things are scatteredly falling in the floor. But I want to keep all my things organized. And that's why I have made a plan. I have made a multiple use cabinet box which I will use as a bed, and it will become bed come cabinet box to organize my things in right place. So let's see how I do it. This is one box. This its height is about 14 inch, width is 20 inch, and length is 40 inch. And if I want to make them cabinet, I will keep them one by one in vertical position, then it will become a wardrobe. And whenever I want to make it a bed, I can keep or put it in horizontal position and it will become a bed. So this cabinet box will serve my multiple purposes, and I'm happy that now my haphazard room become a well organized room. Now you can see I have kept my things inside the cabinet and decorated my room. You can see how beautiful my room is. Thanks for watching. Please give your comments about my idea, whatever you think about this video.